Somebody's playing with their new toy. What are you doing, Crazy? He's lost his mind. Louis V's lost his mind. What's he doing? He's playing. Let's see if we can turn some light on. Does this help? What are you doing, buddy? Oh, boy. You all right, bud? Oh, boy. You've lost your mind. You okay, Lou? What's happening? Mommy's concerned. Okay. Well, you're very aerobic. What are you doing? Oh, that was a good flip. Crazy Louie. Louie on the balance beam. What is he doing? My cat has lost his mind. Good flip. Good dismount, Lou.